This tutorial explains how to retrieve a journal article from Lexis Advance using the article citation. Retrieving the article from Lexis Advance will allow you to take advantage of free printing from the Lexis printers in the law school. We will also include some research tips that you may find useful when searching for articles in general. Suppose you have a citation to this article and would like to retrieve it from Lexis Advance. As you see, there are some steps you can take to verify whether your article is available. You should verify that the source is on Lexis Advance. Additionally, you should check if your article is in a limited content journal, meaning that perhaps that journal is available, but it doesn't cover the article's publication date. We will also cover some search tips about searching for articles using short-form citations and how to conduct the best search by author, title, or keyword. The first step that you should take is to verify that the source, in this case the Journal of Legal Studies, is available on Lexis Advance. Log into Lexis Advance, click on Browse, then click Sources. Search for a journal by title using the Search Sources field. If the journal is available, it will sometimes appear automatically and you can click on it. Otherwise, you can browse all the results. Click on the eye to view coverage information for this source. You will be able to see whether the coverage includes the year that the article was published. You will see that the Journal of Legal Studies is available in Lexis Advance from June 1994 to the present. Our article was published in late 1994 and is therefore available on Lexis Advance. However, if you were trying to search for this journal for an article published earlier than June 1994 without first checking the coverage, you would not find it. So, verifying the coverage dates for the journal may save you time. Some journals will show up in your search, but their content will not be available, or will have material that is out of plan. These journals will appear in a gray font. To see if the journal is available at UC Hastings from another electronic database or in print, you can search the library catalog for the journal. Now, suppose you find your journal in Lexis Advance. When you click on the title of the journal, you will see a drop-down menu. Click Add Source as a search filter to limit your search to the contents of this journal. To do a combined sources search, click on the title of other journals or other sources and add them to the search. In this case, we will add the Journal of Legal Studies as a search filter. You can then search either with the article's exact citation or using the title or author. Please note that you can also do this from the main page of Lexis Advance. Typing in the Journal of Legal Studies will automatically suggest a list of journals. Once you select this journal, it will be added as a filter. Let's look at retrieving the article using an exact short-form citation. At this point, we do not have the exact short-form citation. To find out the short form, use the Blue Book or Google Scholar. The short form will appear in some of the Google Scholar results. For example, Hein Online often supplies short form information. Click on all versions to find if a Hein Online result is available. And here is the short form in this instance. You can now go back and plug the citation into Lexis Advance and retrieve the journal article. Be careful not to add any punctuation such as periods or commas, since it will bring up irrelevant results or not find the article. It's also recommended not to use quotation marks around the citation, since it sometimes prevents you from finding it. If the short form is available to you at the beginning of your search, you can of course plug it into the search form in the main page to see if you can quickly retrieve the article even before checking journal coverage. However, if the citation fails to retrieve the correct result, you will then need to take additional steps to see if you could not retrieve it due to coverage issues, punctuation problems, or citation errors. Finally, let's look at some efficient search methods using the full citation. Try to refrain from simply copying and pasting the entire citation into the search box. To retrieve focused results, try to omit extra punctuations and use proximity connectors. For example, using Paul within sentence Rubin for the author's name and placing quotation marks around important phrases in the title of the article. Make sure that you're viewing the category of secondary sources for the results. While connectors are extremely helpful in searching for a specific article, be careful when using them if you're searching for all available articles in a broad topic of interest. They may exclude relevant articles if not used effectively. As a final note, you may have difficulty in retrieving some articles due to error in the citation. To verify your citation, copy and paste the name of the author and the title of the article into a search engine like Google Scholar. If you notice that you still can't find the article, or that you're retrieving similar but inexact results, it might mean that your citation has some errors. But if the results match your citation and you still can't find any other information, contact the library and we will help you to find the resource.